Hello, my name is Michael Stillwell and I'm one of the instructors here at the Piano Technician Academy. In this video I'm going to show you what's in our basic toolkit. This is a very popular toolkit for us. It's a great toolkit for people just getting started in the trade that want to have the basics that they're going to need to kind of work through our course. Keep in mind though, this is not all of the tools we use in our course, but it's a great starting point. You can always add to this kit later. And it also comes in this really nice carrying case that's very easy to carry around to your customers' homes. So first I want to talk about this tuning lever. We have a nice tuning lever here. It has a number 2 head on it. I personally don't even change my head on my hammer very often. So a number 2 will work on 99% of the pianos you are going to be working on. Over here we have some nice key easing pliers. These will come in very handy when you're easing upright or grand piano keys. We also have a 10mm dip block that we'll use when we're setting dip in pianos. This is a combo handle, and so this tool is used with all of these tools. It basically allows us to switch out the heads for different functions, but these are really nice because they tighten down nice and tight on the tools themselves. This is the A440 tuning fork that you're going to be using to set your temperament in the course. These are John Walker tuning forks, and we've been using these for years and really like these qualities, so you get one of those in the kit as well. Here is our millimeter ruler that we use for measuring all sorts of different parts of the piano. It also has a T-clamp on it, so we're able to pre-adjust it and save our measurement, which is very handy in piano work. This is one of my favorite tools. So this is a PAPS mute. So when you're tuning a spinet piano or maybe a smaller upright piano where it's very difficult to get a big rubber mute in there, you can use one of these PAPS mutes. You'll stick it in and the spring opens it up and kills the vibrations of the strings you're trying to mute. So these are very handy. Here is a traditional rubber mute with a handle on it. These are really nice when you don't have a lot of room to get your whole hand in there, but you need to get deep. You can use this handle one. These are some other mutes that you have, some 2 other rubber mutes without handles. Oftentimes these are used on grand pianos because we can just simply drop them in where they need to be. Here is a file, a paddle file, which we'll use often when we're shaping hammers. This is a tool that we made that allows us to quickly check our checking distance and our let-off distance and our aftertouch. And these are very handy tools. You'll learn about this in the course and how to use this. This is another tool that we made. It's called a drop screw regulator. And this little sleeve fits over the drop screw, and there's a slight little flat head in there that we'll be able to put right on the drop screw and spin it around. Very handy tool. Over here we have a capstan adjuster with both the pokey part and the wrench part for different styles of capstans. Here is the flat head and Phillips head combo tools. So again, these tools fit into this handle, and we can basically unscrew this, put this in and tighten it down, and now we have a screwdriver. And we don't have to carry around a bunch of different tools with big handles on them. And so we have a Phillips and a flat head here. This is another drop screw regulator, often used on Yamaha pianos with larger drop screws. You can also use this tool to adjust the repetition levers button in the back of the repetition lever on grand pianos. It's a very handy tool. And this is a let-off tool. Again, for the combo handle, and it works very good at adjusting your let-off in your grand pianos. Over here you get 2 temperament strips that we will show you how to use in the course. Very important that there's 2 of them so you can get across the entire keyboard. And this is a punching kit. So we have balance and front rail punchings in this kit. It's very well organized. It'll fit in your tool or in your arsenal very easily. It's not a big chunky clunky one. We love these kits as well. And again, this box can zip up and you can carry this to your customer's home very easily. And it's not a humongous thing to be throwing around in your back of your car and bringing into customers' homes. So this is a great way to get started. And again, if you need to add to these kits, you can always do that. This is just the basic kit to get you started in the piano technology world.